Welcome Babukeli, welcome with TV xhosa predictors. Today we'll be quick and we'll bring you only 5 odds. Today we'll be in Italy, in Serie B, in their second league. It's not a Premier League, it's their second league, Serie B. Frosinone against Ascoli. There just say Frosinone in a draw. The second one in England, Championship. Sheffield Wednesday versus Accrington Stanley. Just give a straight win to Sheffield Wednesday. Another one is from Championship again in England. Norwich City against the Rotterdam. Just give Norwich straight win. Another one is in Switzerland, where young boys are welcoming Grasshopper. Just give over 2.5 there. The third one is in Championship again in England. Bristol City versus Middlesbrough. Just give draw and Middlesbrough. Another one is in Turkey, where Fatih versus Fenerbahce. Just give over 2.5 there. Another one is in Saudi Arabia, Al Hilal versus Al Taha. Just give Al Hilal straight win. The last one will be Barcelona in Spain versus Girona. Just give over 1.5 there. Thanks for today. Don't forget to subscribe. We like you, we love you. Thank you very much.